Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? These smart Amazon gadgets are designed to chop, cook, and clean, so you can sit back and enjoy the results. From prepping meals to keeping things spotless, they make kitchen life easier than ever. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Breakfast just got a serious upgrade. This smart toaster lets you pick your bread type and browning shade with a simple touch, and the settings project right onto the display so you know exactly what's happening. Bagels, waffles, or gluten-free. 5 presets handle it all. 11 shade levels mean you always get the perfect toast. Plus, the warming rack, reheat and defrost modes, and easy clean crumb tray keep mornings effortless. Love dumplings but hate the prep work? This electric dumpling maker does the folding for you. Just place the wrapper and filling, press a button, and in seconds, you've got perfectly shaped dumplings. It offers both automatic and manual modes, so beginners and pros can use it with ease. USB rechargeable and easy to clean, it seals edges tightly so your dumplings never fall apart. Counting calories just got a whole lot easier. This smart kitchen scale doesn't just weigh your food, it calculates nutrients too. Connect it to the free app and track calories, protein, carbs, fats, and more across your meals. With a huge food database and the option to add your own items, you're always in control. Sleek stainless steel makes it durable and easy to clean, perfect for everyday use. Chopping veggies doesn't have to be a workout. This portable electric cutter slices, dices, and even whisks with just one button. Drop in garlic, chilies, or ginger, and it cuts them evenly in seconds, straight into the pot. It even comes with an egg and cream beater for quick baking prep. When you're done, add soap and water for a fast self-clean. Cooking just got effortless. Messy countertops are a thing of the past. This smart cutting board and knife set keeps everything clean, dry, and organized with its built-in drying holder. Just wash your knives and boards, pop them in, and let the system do the rest. Color-coded boards make it easy to keep raw meat, fish, veggies, and cooked foods separate. Sleek, modern, and space-saving, it's a smart upgrade for any kitchen. Rain or shine, you can grill indoors without the smoke. This smart 6-in-1 machine grills, air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and even dehydrates, all in one sleek design. The built-in thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, giving you perfect doneness every time. With hot cyclonic air and a searing grill plate, you still get those char-grilled marks and flavors you love. Plus, it air fries with way less fat. Nothing beats the smell of freshly ground coffee. This smart grinder uses stainless steel burrs to deliver perfectly even grounds, giving you rich flavor in every cup. With 15 grind settings, you can go from fine espresso to coarse cold brew in seconds. Just press once and it remembers your last setting. Super convenient. The hopper holds plenty of beans, and the anti-static container keeps the process neat and mess-free. Cooking just got twice as easy. This double induction cooktop comes with 2 burners and a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for pancakes, steaks, or even a quick stir-fry. Touch controls let you pick from 9 power levels and set a timer up to 99 minutes. The sleek glass surface wipes clean in seconds, and the griddle pan pops right into the dishwasher. Portable, powerful, and space-saving, it's cooking made simple. Say goodbye to funky fridge smells once and for all. This clever deodorizer doesn't just mask odors, It breaks them down at the source, keeping your food fresher for longer. No chemicals, no fragrances, no power needed. Just pop it in and let it work. Made from sleek stainless steel, it lasts up to 10 years without replacement. Small, stylish, and powerful. It's fresher air made effortless. Grinding spices doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This smart electric grinder uses AI technology to adjust speed and pressure automatically, giving you perfectly consistent results every time. Just load it up, press a button, and let it do the work. No mess, no uneven bits. Portable and rechargeable, it's great for home cooking or even on-the-go use. A sleek upgrade for anyone who loves fresh flavor. The good ice is finally yours at home. This Smart Nugget ice maker creates chewable, crunchable cubes that stay flavorful and refreshing in every drink. You'll get your first batch in minutes, and it can keep producing ice all day long. The water tank is easy to fill and clean, with no outside hookup needed. Built-in Wi-Fi even lets you schedule ice from your phone or with voice commands. No more babysitting the grill. This wireless meat thermometer tracks your cook from anywhere with unlimited range. 2 smart probes measure doneness with lab-level accuracy, so you never have to guess again. The base displays everything clearly, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth keep the connection stable. It even predicts when your meal will be ready, so you can relax and enjoy perfect results every time. Why wait in line at a cafe when you can make barista-style drinks at home? This 8-in-1 frother whips up silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and even cold coffee creations. It works with dairy and non-dairy milk, so everyone's covered. The smart program controls heat and speed, giving you perfect froth without burning. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, easy-to-wash design. Happy hour just got smarter. This cocktail machine mixes bar-quality drinks in seconds. No bartender needed. Just pop in a capsule, choose your drink strength, and press a button. It works with your favorite liquor bottles, so you can keep the flavors you love. Cleanup is simple with self-rinsing parts and dishwasher-safe accessories, making it as effortless as the drinks it creates. Craving pasta without the carbs? This Veggie Slicer transforms zucchini, squash, carrots, and more into fresh noodle strands with just a twist. Dual stainless steel blades let you pick between thin or thick spirals, depending on your dish. It's lightweight, simple to use, and cleans up easily. Perfect for healthy meals, fun salads, or adding a creative twist to everyday cooking. Perfect rice without the guesswork? Yes, please. This smart grain cooker has a built-in scale and water tank that automatically measure the right ratio every time. With 21 presets, it handles everything from quinoa to couscous to classic white rice. The touchscreen makes it simple to use, and the steamer basket lets you cook veggies or fish alongside your grains. Dinner just got easier and healthier. Snack prep just leveled up. This premium dehydrator gives you 15 stainless steel trays to dry everything from beef jerky to fruit chips to homemade dog treats. The rear fan keeps airflow even, so every tray dries consistently without rotating. A digital timer and precise temperature control let you set it and forget it. Quiet, powerful, and easy to clean. It's a game changer for healthy homemade snacks. Chop, fold, and pour without the mess. This clever cutting board lies flat while you prep, then folds up to funnel ingredients straight into your pot or pan. No more losing half your veggies on the counter. The textured surface is gentle on knives, while non-slip feet keep it steady as you work. Lightweight, sturdy, and dishwasher safe, it's a kitchen upgrade you'll use every day. Who says snacks can't be stylish? This triple candy machine lets you store 3 different treats in one rotating dispenser. Fill it with jelly beans, gumballs, or even peanuts. The fingertip lever makes grabbing a handful quick and easy. The lid pops off for effortless refilling, and the base twists off for cleaning. Perfect for parties, movie nights, or just keeping your sweet tooth satisfied. Tired of grabbing hot pan handles with a towel? These silicone handle covers slip right over your cookware to keep your hands safe and your grip secure. Heat-resistant and non-slip, they fit snugly on cast iron, skillets, or woks without sliding around. Easy to pop on and off, they give you comfort, safety, and peace of mind while cooking your favorite meals. Cutting grapes one by one? That's ancient history. This handy slicer lets you load up small fruits like grapes, cherry tomatoes, or strawberries and slice them in seconds with a simple push. The blades are hidden inside, so it's safe and mess-free. No juice splashing everywhere. Perfect for fruit salads, party platters, or decorating cakes. You'll never look at prep work the same way again. Why reach for a dull knife when one tool can handle it all? These heavy-duty kitchen shears cut through chicken, veggies, herbs, and even tough packaging with ease. The ergonomic grip makes them comfortable for long prep sessions, and cleanup is simple. Just toss them in the dishwasher. You even get a bonus pair designed specifically for cracking shells and peeling shrimp. One set, endless uses in the kitchen. Stuck on a stubborn jar lid again? This clever under-cabinet opener makes the job effortless. Just slide the lid into the V-shaped teeth, give it a twist, and it pops right open. No strength required. It handles everything from tiny spice caps to big pickle jars. Perfect for anyone with weak hands or arthritis, and it's hidden neatly under your cabinet, so it's always ready when you need it. Too many dishes in the sink, but still need to drain pasta or wash fruit. These collapsible colanders have their own draining base, so water flows straight into the sink without making a mess. You get 3 sizes that handle everything from berries to big batches of pasta. When you're done, they collapse flat and stack neatly in a drawer. Handy, hygienic, and a total space saver. Tired of struggling to cut even slices of meat by hand? This manual slicer makes it simple. With 17 sharp blades, one push gives you 18 perfect slices, ready for hot pot, BBQ, or meal prep. You can switch between thin or thicker cuts and even dice or shred by changing the angle. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and turns fresh meat into neatly prepped portions in minutes.